My name is actually Tumelo Machete. I go by the name Joburg Ash. I'm from Soweto, Protea South. So the business I started it probably like over 10 years ago, like if I can remember. So it started off as a landscaping business, and then it moved into rooftop farming, and then we moved into the retail aspect of horticulture, which is selling indoor plants. What inspired me bringing plants into the city, it is more of like bringing when I moved into the city, like I wanted to bring a part of my identity into the spaces that I live in. So that's what inspired me, like trying to also share what I know with the community of Johannesburg. Commitment to me means seeing things through. You start something and you are passionate about it, and you've got clear objectives why you want to do it, and just making sure that you see through it. As long as it doesn't harm anyone, it promotes goodness within the community. Together we can build more greener communities.